Train USB DPKC112A. This was a dedicated cement train, originating in San Bernardino. Its destination was Pasco, Washington. On point was another -9, number 4479. This train was heavy, pulling 14 loaded hoppers of cement, thousands of tons of momentum that wouldn't be easy to stop. Heading towards them was train Emmerich Bar 113A. This was a southbound manifest train, a mix of various freight cars. It had departed from Richmond, California, earlier that evening, bound for the massive yard in Barstow. Leading the way was -944 CW number 4059. It carried a crew of 2 and a long string of mixed freight, unaware that their trip would end just 150 miles later. By the time they saw each other, it was too late. The crew of 4059 jumped just in time.